Okay, now we're going to be graphing from slope-intercept form, and you used this backwards a couple lessons ago. Okay, and we're going to start with this graph that we have here. Last time, in a couple lessons back, you had a graph. Okay, so we used an equation y equals mx plus b. And the m looked like a mountain, or stood for the rise over the run.
Right.
And the b stood for where it crosses the y-axis. What we did to find the slope is we came and drew that little triangle, that little triangle. And we counted 1 this way, and 1, 2, 3 that way. So we said that the slope was 1 over 3, except that it was going downhill. So it was negative.
Right.
You with me?
Okay.
So we wrote y equals negative 1/3 in front of that there. And we put an x.
Right.
Do you remember doing this?
Yes.
Okay. And then, change colors here. The y-intercept was at 1, or it crossed the axis at 1. So, okay, so we put a plus 1 here. Okay?
Okay.
We're just going to go backwards today. Okay? So today we're going to have an equation. Let's say y equals 2/3 x plus 7. Okay? Alright, so we'll have some graph paper. We're going to have an x and y axis. Last time we started with the slope, but this time we're going to start with the y-intercept. We'll always start b, and I like to think of it as b as for beginning. Okay? So we're going to start at 7. This 5 and 6, 7 is up there. Then, terrible. Alright, we rearranged some stuff. We're going to start at the 7, which is right there. Okay? The 2 over 3, the 2 tells you that you're going to go up 2 and over 7. 3, excuse me. So we're going to, from there, I'm going to make some marks just so you can see where I am, but we're going to move up 1, 2, and then we're going to move over 1, 2, 3. That's my next dot. Okay?
Okay.
It was right.
Oh,
there.
no.
There we go. Okay? And we can do this again. We actually should do that again. We can go up 1, 2, and over 1, 2, 3 to right there.
Oh, so just keep going.
You can just keep going. Over, up 2, over 3, up. Now, there's something that's really cool. Because 2/3 can also be negative 2 over negative 3, because that reduces
can go down
so we can
that
go
way.
down 1, 2, and over 1, 2, 3 to there.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So however it works, it doesn't really matter. We have our line that we can draw to have.
Oh,
Okay.
that's cool.
We're gonna do one more because I think that since we did it backwards before, that's gonna make it nicer. Okay.
Yeah.
So let's move to there. We still have our graph paper. Let me see. Are they gonna have you? I don't know if they're gonna have you change it. Are they always gonna give it in slope-intercept form? They will. They'll give it to you like this and gonna ask you to change it.
Great.
Some of them. So let's do one. Actually, we're going to do 2 more. We're going to do 1 more in slope-intercept form. Y equals negative 4/3 x plus 2. And so, if you remember, we begin at the y-intercept. So we need our graph paper.
Okay, so we'll go up to there. 'Cause
Very
that's
good.
2. And then we'll go up from there 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 right there. And then over 3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, we're going to do something. There's one thing that I didn't draw very big.
Negative.
There's a negative. How does that change what you just did?
We're going to go this way now.
Yeah, let's go backwards. So we're going to go, instead of up 4, we're going to go down.
1, 2, 3, 4 over 1. Or the other way.
Other way.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3.
Very good. So it's going to be right there. Right there. Okay?
Okay.
We can continue to do that, or we could go up. We could have gone up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, but we have to go backwards. 1, 2, 3.
Right.
Okay? So it was there. Having fun outside. Okay, so there's our graph. All right, one more. And this part that we just did here isn't the complicated part, actually. It's actually quite nice, and if you already have it in this form, it makes it really nice. But if we're going to have to get it in that form, here's what we have to do, okay? 5x minus 2y equals 6, okay? We want it, when we're all done, to say y equals mx plus b. So we got to get this into y equals. So we're going to subtract that 5x. You've done this before. Okay. We're going to have our negative 2y there. But we want to put the x part first. So we're going to have a negative 5x plus the 6. So it'll be in this form.
Wait, wouldn't it be the minus the 6?
The part that got minus was the negative 5x. Does that make sense, Madison?
Yes. Okay. So I'll just do the opposite.
It's a positive 6 here.
Oh!
So that's why it says a plus 6.
Okay.
Okay.
I see what you're saying now.
All right. So we're going to divide by negative 2, negative 2, and negative 2. Okay? So y is going to equal positive 5 over 2x. The reason it's positive is because we have two negatives.
Okay.
Then we have a positive divided by a negative is a negative 3. This is the equation, but we're not done because they ask us to graph it now.
Oh, okay. So I'll just do the same thing we did
Then we
before.
just do the same thing we did before. We have our graph paper here. We're going to do on the lines. We're going to start at the negative 3.
So we're down 3. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2.
Yes. So let's see if we can remember where that is. Yep, right there. We can do that again just to make sure we're doing fine. Up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 2. And there's our line. Okay? Oh, that was terrible. A little bit off on that one too, but the trick to this one is to keep it in this y equals mx plus b form, putting this x thing first so that you know where your slope is. Okay?
Okay.
All right. I'll let you take notes on that and look at some more of the examples in this book if they have any. They don't have any more. They have that one there.
Okay.
All right. We're done.